A pair of cases challenging how federal officers handle protesters outside the ICE facility in Portland went before an appeals court today. The issue, should there be limits on the use of tear gas? Investigative reporter Kyle Aboshi has been tracking these cases. He breaks it down from the newsroom. Kyle.
Tim, these cases are important because they'll shape how federal officers manage protests in Portland and potentially elsewhere around the country. The hearings before a 3-judge panel were held remotely and streamed live.
Scenes like this, tear gas, pepper balls, and flashbang grenades outside the ICE building in Portland were the focus of back-to-back hearings before the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. The 3-judge panel previously overturned a lower court ruling that had temporarily blocked federal agents from using tear gas on peaceful protesters. Tuesday, they heard from the Trump administration, as well as lawyers representing residents near the ICE building, journalists, and protesters who claim to have been targeted by officers. During the hearing, Judge Ana de Alba, a Biden appointee, said she found some of the videos in the case to be quite disturbing.
We had a protester shot in the eye. I just don't know how we're justifying this.
The other 2 judges, Kenneth Lee and Eric Tung, both Trump appointees, raised questions about the restrictions on federal officers.
If hundreds of people came and started vandalizing the gates or the security cameras, I guess under the district court's injunction, the agents still couldn't use these crowd control devices.
Correct. The crowd control.
I don't see how that's covered under the First Amendment there. I mean, there's no First Amendment right to commit vandalism or impede law enforcement. It seems the injunction was just way too broad.
The hearings lasted less than an hour, with no word on when a decision will be reached.
This comes just days after the Ninth Circuit ruled in a separate but similar protest case in Los Angeles. In that case, the appeals court sided largely with protesters and journalists, but ordered a lower court to narrow its injunction.
Kyle, thank you for that update.